Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna learn about the direct selection tool, which is very important when you're creating your design. So it helps you to modify your design. So let's get started. First we need to select the text. So in this case I'm just choosing an Arial font and a make sure you create the outline first, because if you don't create the outline you wouldn't be able to edit your text properly, or your font, or your design. Outlines are necessary, especially when you are making a text-based logo or working with the text. So I've created a copy, and the very first day it's just a default design of Arial font. Okay, so I choose to make it duplicate by pressing Alt along with the shift. Then you can press Ctrl D to make the copies. Make sure to press the shift. So now we're gonna use the direct selection tool. As you can see that I have clicked on the anchor point. So when you clicked on the anchor point, it activates one side of your design. So you can see how it's beautifully doing its work. See again, select one anchor point. Okay, make sure when you're working on direct selection tool, so let's say in this case when I'm working at 0.08, so make sure there's a consistency in your size and measurement, because if there is like a incorrect size, then design might not look good in your final presentation. See, once again, anchor point, just like that. See, we have another modification in the A, just like that. See again, it looks really beautiful in my opinion, but these are just really basics to get familiar with the tools, because direct selection tool plays a very vital role when you are creating a design for a professional clients. Okay, as you can see in this case, I chose two anchor points. You can do it as well. Okay, because I wanted the top of the A, both sides rounded. Once again, I've chosen both anchor points by pressing Ctrl and click on the anchor. Don't leave the control when you're selecting the two anchor points. See the similar pattern of choosing how to use direct selection tool. And our designs are almost done. See, it's done. And now I want the top edge of the inside shape in rounded. See, it looks like a triangle. See, one more, and here you go. So this is how your direct selection tool works. If you have any question, you can comment below. And now it's time to choose the color. So choose the color whatever you like. One more thing I want to add here, why creating outline is important, because if you don't create an outline you wouldn't be able to work with the direct selection tool, and also you wouldn't be able to add gradients in your design. Although I haven't added any gradient here, but next time I will do it for you guys. I hope you liked this tutorial. Make sure to comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you liked this tutorial. Till next time, I hope you have a good time, and we are almost done. It's just few more things left. Okay, bye bye.